My favorite thing. Best $75 I ever spent in my life. Takes a beating, keeps right on going. That's the toughest toy I've ever had. I talk a toy to the kids, I stood on with a rock to take the punch as this thing does. Easy kids. Love this thing. It takes abuse like crazy. So is my hat. Flies forever. Easy to control. I just love this thing. Being a real helicopter pilot, I've seen a lot. I control every aspect of this thing. I can pretty much cover it like I want. Except in my neck. Perfectly safe, see no injury.
Oh.
Ow, I love this thing. Oh!
Ooh. Oh my God! Oh, be careful, brother! Brother, bring it back! Bring it back! Brother! Bring it back! Please! Oh my gosh! Era palo ko.
See that?
Yeah.
Get that?
Yeah. Oh my.
Right out of juice. Hope you got away.